Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Mangalam. So today's video we are going to discuss about Cognizant mass hiring opportunity. Okay, so basically we got the comments like this is not mass hiring opportunity. Basically, if you are applying for this hiring opportunity, you will definitely get the test mail if you are shortlisted. Okay, so basically we are going to discuss about what is the eligibility criteria for this hiring opportunity and what is the job title. So Cognizant, you can see digital workplace service off campus engineer training. As a engineer trainee, you are going to apply for this hiring, and this is for Bangalore, Chennai, and Coimbatore location. Multiple locations. You can apply for multiple location. Application deadline 13th of October. Okay, so basically you have only 5 to 6 days to apply for the hiring opportunity because last date to apply 13th of October 2024. Okay, 12 a.m. Now talking about the CTC, what you will get. So the fixed CTC would be for LPA for this hiring opportunity, and as an engineer trainee and any BE Tech graduate can apply using full-time degree. Okay, so BE Tech students can apply for this hiring, and you should have BE Tech degree, and job title would be engineer trainee. And now we will talk about the criteria. Other criteria you can see rule as expectations, what work you will do, and night shift allowance will be paid by project. Basically, if you are doing work in night shift, then basically there will be some stipend extra stipend for night shift also. Cognizant provide caps for pickup and drop also. Okay, so basically you will get the pickup and drop also by cap. Timely rewards and recognition from top performance. Okay, so these are the some benefits you will get. Compensation we already talked about, and 2024 batch students can only apply for this hiring opportunity. 23-25 batch students cannot apply for this hiring opportunity. Okay, what is the percentage criteria for this hiring opportunity at the time of the registration? Academic record of minimum 50%, 10 12 diploma, UG and PG. Okay, so this is very basic percentage criteria. There is no requirement for 60%, 70%. You should have at least 50% in 10 12 and UG PG. Okay, now talking about the how to apply in the hiring opportunity. So basically this is the link, Superset link. If you have not registered in Superset, then you can create your account in Superset. Okay, otherwise if you already logged in, then you can directly use your credentials and you can directly apply in Cognizant. Okay, now talking about the next hiring opportunity, which is from Turing. Turing currently hiring for remote full stack developers. So students who are looking for remotely basis hiring opportunity, they are looking for work from home jobs. They can apply. All students can apply. Now talking about the criteria, you can see full-time or part-time allowed over here. 2024 pass out, 25 pass out students can apply, but you should have relevant degree or like skills. Okay, bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science or relevant field is essential. Understanding, you should have software engineering methodology and effective written and verbal communication skills you should have. And you are going to apply as a full stack developer, then you can have some skill set that backend development as well as front end development. If you have relevant skills, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity. And this hiring opportunity is for experienced candidate from JDS Associate. So JDS Associate is hiring for business technology solution associate, ETL developer. Okay, what is the criteria for this hiring opportunity? You can see bachelor's degree or master degree, business analytics, computer science, MIS related field with academic excellence. Okay, 1 to 3 years of experience if you have relevant experience. Otherwise, if you have additional skill set, then you can definitely apply in JDS Associate. So guys, in this video, I have talked about three hiring opportunity from Turing, Cognizant, and JDS Associate. One of the biggest hiring from Cognizant, which is currently open. If you have not applied, you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity, or others hiring you can also apply from Turing and JDS Associate. Next video we are going to discuss about some other hiring opportunities, so I will update you definitely. If you have not joined my Telegram group, then you can join for latest update, and you can follow me on Instagram where I am going to on daily basis we are going to discuss about the placement preparation. Okay, so this is my channel Learn with Mangalam. You can follow me there because we are going to discuss about there everything in short, placement preparation notes, roadmaps, everything. So you will get there, so you can follow me there. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.